How you doing, guys? Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I would like to thank y'all for watching this video. Today I'm giving you another video on the Infinity Processor System, and I'm gonna show you a little proof on how people and how our team is getting leads, and what do they do to get some type of traction to their online opportunity. And I just want to show you back here of what IPS is really all about. Then I'm gonna show you some proof that this system works, and show you some testimonials so that way you can know what this is about, because I know a lot of people, they get kind of stuck on finding information. Once they see an opportunity, they pretty much left hanging. And that's what you do. You go to these YouTube videos and you try to find sources that can really help you and get you a little bit more insight on how the system operates, and you want to know what type of features does it have, and can it help you marketing in all types of way. And one thing you would like to do, you got to ask yourself, whatever opportunity that you decide to join, you got to ask yourself, can this help other people? What can help other people succeed in the online space? And you have to ask yourself that, because it had to be something that catch your eye as well. So that's one thing the Infinity Processor System has. It has a complete blueprint on how to market and different types of traffic sources that you can use to market, this platform. So I'm gonna show you here in the back office of what type of features that you get to get when you sign up. And this is with the pro level right now. So with the pro level, you get a little bit more training, and the Infinity Processor System have 3 product levels. You have the $50 product level, you have the $150 product level, and you have the $300, which is the highest one. That's the #1 recommended product level, because you get all the training, you get everything, and you get to earn the highest commission. Now, if you own the $300, you get to be able to get the $150 product sales, and you also get the $50 product sales. So that's one way to be able to own all the products. So whatever level that you come in at, that's the only levels that you get to get. And if you come in at the 150 level, you also get to have the starter pack as well. So here in the back office, you can see different types of features it has, like how to create your own 6-figure funnel. They got and all of them is step-by-step marketing, and it has online videos. They have videos for each training session, and that's one thing I like about this program. It has video training, so it does the demonstrations for you, so it kind of take a little bit of the sting out from the information that you're looking for that you may be stuck on. It also has a 6-figure closing script that you can use on prospects that want to know information. It can have ways that you can follow and the ways that you can lead, so that's one good thing. It also has what you could do if someone joins you that want to pay you. Excuse me. They have a winning mindset, things that can be successful with your mindset. Decide you are going to become successful, become coachable. All different types of things that you can see right here. They have different videos on each one. And that's something that you need in the online space, is something to get your mindset right. Because when you're in the online marketing world, it can become very challenging if you don't have the right mindset to really be able to stay in it and to be consistent. So that's one thing you would like to keep in mind. You must be consistent. Things is patience. It's not an overnight scheme. It's not an overnight risk game. You have to put in the work. You got one called Art of Persuasion, how to master influence and, influence people to be able to become a part of you and join forces with you. This is one of the best things that I like. Pre-written ads. You get 60 bonus pre-written ads. So that's pretty good. Let's see here. I think that's not stopping right there, but and you also get Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation. Okay, so you get all these different types of levels of training. So what it is that you could do, I will show you it here in my, my Facebook. I will show you here the back office. And you can see here in the proof group. All right, guys, wait for it to load up. Oops. You can see here the proof group. This is, it's proof that everyone, look. See, it's lady right here, Aaron Spence, $50 payments. Came in October 28th. You see what I'm saying? So people get success with this program. See, someone had earned a $300 payment. Rest 5. You see what I'm saying? Excuse me. Someone came in at the pro level yesterday. Joined at the pro level. Welcome. So you got all these different types of testimonials. People coming in already rushing it. They already, within like 2 days, they be coming in and already getting sales. So that shows you that this is beginner friendly. And you can also get started as well. You could become exactly like these people that's in the Facebook group. How much they're earning. It's people that's earning daily. They getting daily instant commissions. And once you get the step-by-step training, you could be able to do this as well. And, people would like to, they buy for people. They buy for people who they like and trust. That's the name of the game. They like it and trust, and that's when people are going to be able to come. If you be more consistent and you be more patient, people are going to see the work that you do. People are going to come for you for advice because they see that somebody's not afraid to go out there and show. What do you think people do all the time? They go and see people on the internet because that's someone they can trust. A lot of people's not going to tell you that, in the back office because, a lot of people don't have a sponsor. And it's okay because you don't have to need a sponsor to really be successful. But you have to do yourself and be diligent with yourself to do the research, learn the skill, develop the skill. Use that way to market because it don't really matter what you promote. It really doesn't matter. It just matters of your skills and how efficient that you do and how consistent that you be able to do in your marketing. So that's just to give you a little insight that this system does work. People is making commissions and daily instant income from this system. If you'd like to know more about this and more information, make sure you click on the link below. If you decide to come on a board with me, I will have some type of marketing training for you guys. You can always contact me on Facebook or other social media. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for more upcoming videos, tips and tricks. And we pretty much, that covers today's video. So I'll holler at you guys in the next video. So peace.